So imagine the crypto market and Instagram had a baby. That's what this coin called Zora is. So this video isn't meant to pump my bags or show anything. I just want to introduce you guys probably what's going to be the future of crypto. What it is imagine with Instagram, you know how you have the posts, people's accounts, and all that good stuff. On Zora, you have that same thing, but you could trade their posts and their accounts. Nick, what the heck are you talking about? How is that even possible? So what you do is you connect your crypto wallet or Coinbase account to Zora, and from there, you send over ETH. Yeah, just ETH. I think you could send the Zora token too, but you send ETH over to Zora, and it converts the Ethereum into what's called Sparks. It's like with Fortnite, you get the V-Bucks from USD, same exact thing. So for the most part. So what you do with the Sparks is you could buy or have a stake in other people's accounts. So let's say you see, Kylie Jenner's Zora account. You could be a shareholder in her account by buying the account. So I'm going to put screenshots of what I'm talking about. Like this one, for example. It says you could trade their what's called creator coin. And the creator coin is basically just the person's account, but it's on the crypto market. So these are all, everything you see is a coin on this app, between the creator coins, which are people's accounts, and people's posts that are also coins. So right now it's fairly new, right? So that means that it's not the same as Instagram in the sense that you can like scroll all day on Reels. Well, technically you can, but you're not gonna see your same favorite creators just yet. So how do you trade people's posts? How do you trade their accounts? So if you see a post that you think is gonna go viral or do very well on Zora, then you could put money into that post. And if the market cap of the post goes up, then you could sell and make money. But essentially, each post has a market cap. So anytime you invest in it, the market cap goes up. And when people sell, the market cap goes down. The way you make money is if you think the post is going to do well, then you buy into it. And then you could sell for a profit 1 to 2x, whatever your heart desires. But why this is so brilliant, it's literally a new incentive for creators to make money. The whole app is a creator economy, and you can literally get this app on the App Store for free, just like with Instagram. It's like, imagine you could have invested in, we'll say, Tate back in 2019. You would have made a lot of money if you were able to invest in Tate stock. You know what I mean? Or like any other celebrity that was on the come up. So like I said, it's still fairly new. There's a lot of potential. And one thing you might be wondering, all right, well, who's the team behind it? Are they anonymous? No. So the team behind it is people that used to work for Coinbase. I think buying and holding the original posts of these creators is what's going to be the best thing for you. That and their creator coins. So the top three, I think it's like ZXBT. It's one of the creators, posts art, like an AI picture every day. Jacob, who's one of the big developers. His first post is a picture of a horse. That one, that's probably a good long-term investment if Zora really takes off. But any investment you have in this app is basically just betting on Zora doing well and the crypto market as a whole doing well. I think this is the future of blockchain technology. It's definitely a step forward, very innovative, very exciting stuff. All the transactions are visible. Every trade you see is visible on Zora. So it's like, but how is it visible? You go to the person's account, there's like a section, it's like a lightning bolt section. You tap on that, and then you can scroll through and see all the person's posts. So if you really analyze, you can literally see the posts. I know I'm going on a tangent here, but I'll drive it home in a second. You could see on people's posts, the holders and the transactions. So it's like people's accounts, like you could see, like, you know how on Instagram you can see who liked and who commented on the post? Same thing for this. You can literally see when people bought in on the post and then try to scroll and search and see when a person got out of the post, out of the coin. Zora, you guys can literally get in the App Store for free. I'm gonna have my referral link in the description of the video. It's a great app, it's brilliant. I've been telling all my family and friends to get it. Super awesome. There's definitely a bunch of stuff about it that I haven't mentioned yet. I do know that they just implemented what's called vids. It's the same, pretty much the same thing as Reels. So like the Reels tab where you can scroll through on the Reels, same thing for vids. They're getting better and better. I think it's a great app. I'm very bullish on it. I think it's at 11 cents right now. It's up like 25% today. Today might not be the best time to buy, but I think this token is going to at least $2 to $3. I mean, the infrastructure, everything they have set out, I think this is brilliant. If you have any thoughts, concerns, you hate it, you have any suggestions for how it could be better, any questions about it, I'll be more than happy to answer in the comments down below. So like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends about it, try to get all your friends to make accounts on it. Use my link in the video down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.